Good morning, kindergarten, first and second graders. Today we're going to make a rainbow. And first we have to learn about what makes a rainbow and why is it that it's out there with all these different beautiful colors. And so we're going to read you a book. I'm going to read you a book about what is a rainbow. And this is Christopher. So let's start. Look over there. What's that? Asked Christopher. That's a rainbow. Rainbow? What is a rainbow? That's an interesting question. Maybe Beaver can help us. Hi, Beaver. Can you help us? What makes a rainbow? Let me show you. See this? This is called a prism. It's made of glass. Let's say it together. Prism. Prism, said Christopher. And Mrs. Story has a prism right here. This is what it looks like. Okay? Let's go to the next page. As the sun rays shine through the prism, the line is bent. And as the light bends, it splits into many colors. In the sunlight, are there many colors? Look at all the colors. Imagine finding colors in the sunlight. There's the sun going through the prism and it shoots out all these colors like you did in your color wheel. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo blue, and violet. All in a row. The same thing happens when the sunlight shines through the rain. Let's go to the waterfall and I'll show you. Interesting, said Mr. Fox. The light from the sun shines through the water like the drops, and the drops of water are like tiny prisms. I knew that. I didn't. See the tiny drops? And they're like little tiny prisms. As the drops of water bend the light, we see the many colors of the rainbow. Just think, each little drop of water is like a prism. And here's the white light, and it shoots out a color rainbow. Let's look into the sky and look at the rainbow. See how bright the sun is shining? The air is full of drops of water from the rain. It's wet up here. Sure is. The sunlight shines through the drops, and the raindrops are like tiny little prisms. They bend the sunlight and split it into many colors. There's the sun. There's the raindrops. As we look into the sky, we see, pow, the beautiful rainbow. There they are in order again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now I know what makes a rainbow. Me too. We do too. End of story. All right, kindergartners, first and second graders, we are doing a rainbow. This is so easy. Get your piece of paper that you have in your packet and then we're going to make a rainbow that looks like this. Then we're going to cut it out, see? So then we're going to take our black marker and put a cloud over on this side. Bump, 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 bump. There's a cloud. And here's another cloud, and it's white. You notice it's white? Bump, 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 bump. There's another cloud. Now we're going to make the rainbow jump out of those clouds and make a curved line to the other side. Here comes the first one. Jump almost all the way up and down. Again. Jump and fall down. Again. Jump and fall down. Again. Jump and fall down. Uh-oh, they're getting a little squish. That's okay. Jump and fall down. We need 6 of those colors to make our rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see if we can get those colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Now I am going to switch my markers to the very first color of the rainbow, and that's red. So you guys can use your markers or your crayons, and I'm going to color in my red part of the rainbow. Oh yeah, I like red. It is always the #1 color on top of the rainbow. It is always red. Now the next color is orange. I forget sometimes how the color goes. So I'm going to find my orange now because that's next. Okay, here's my orange. Orange, you glad I have orange? Here we go. All the way down. And what's next? Yellow. So easy peasy. Yellow is next. Uh-oh, my yellow is smearing with my black. Oh well, that's the way it goes with markers. Crayons won't do it, so if you want it cleaner, you have to use crayons. I always put my cap right back on. After yellow comes green. So I take my green marker, and I color in green. Mine's a little bit running out, this marker. Time to get a new one. Then after green comes blue. So I'm going to get my blue marker and color it in, or my blue crayon, whichever one you want. That's okay. Here's my blue marker. And then the last one is, of course, my purple. I know there's an indigo, but you don't have to worry about the indigo right now. We'll talk about the indigo later. There's my purple markers also drying out. There we go. Now you know what I do? Then I cut out my rainbow. Practice your cutting, and then you have a rainbow to hold. Isn't that pretty neat? Now, those of you who did your color wheel before, you can also cut out your color wheel if you want to. Yeah, go ahead and cut it, okay? And cut your whole wheel so it looks like this. You see that? And so then you're going to have your color wheel and your rainbow all ready. And that's our color study. Isn't that fun? Our next lesson will have colors in it, but we have to know where they come from. Okay? Next time, we'll do a lesson and have fun with this one. Bye, guys.